What's up, TubeU? Okay, so this is part 3 of the tear down to try to get to the head gaskets on a 2012 F-150 V8 with the 5.0. So what we're going to be doing today is, I did not disconnect this pump yet. I'm going to be doing that here in a minute. I'm going to be changing out the serpentine belts. You've got 2 of them on the 5.0, so you got one right here. There's a tensioner right here. You do not need to cut that wire, so you're going to pull this one right here. I believe that one's going to be, what is it? Counterclockwise. And that is going to be, I believe, right here, a 13 millimeter socket with a breaker bar. And then you're going to be pulling the tensioner right here with a 1/2 inch socket. So I'm going to try to set up the camera and get the angles for you guys. It's going to be kind of difficult, but we're going to try to set this up. Okay, so both belts are off. Came off fairly easy. The top one here, the tensioner, I just kind of got it down there. It got stuck behind the pulley down there. But we're going to be removing all that stuff, so we're good to go. All right, TubeU, so that's going to wrap up part 3. I got to cut it a little short today, but I did manage to get out there and get some work done on the truck. I got to be somewhere in a few hours, so I got to get ready for that. Got to clean up. But nonetheless, man, everything is going pretty smooth. We managed to take off all the pulleys, the crankshaft. Next, we got to drop the alternator, disconnect the AC line, and then what else do we got? We got to basically unbolt the oil pan from the bottom. There's 4 bolts underneath there, so if you guys are planning to do that, there are 4 bolts underneath the oil pan. The I guess it would be towards the front of the engine. Yeah, it'll be the front of the engine. So there's 4 bolts down there that's holding on to the oil pan that's connected to the timing cover. So we're going to take those off. We're going to drop the oil pan. We already released the oil. So tomorrow or later on this evening, hopefully, if everything goes right and, so everything goes good, get back on time, and then we'll go ahead and pull this timing cover off, because I'm excited to get down to it and see exactly what's going on in there. And nonetheless, man, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button. It really helps your boy out. Until next time, it's your boy, Coyote Mike.